Hi everybody! When you think of Halloween, you obviously think candy and ghosts. So why don't we smash them together and make a candy ghost? So get your dot-to-dot printable template in the description below and print it out. Or if you don't have a printer, that's okay. You can get a piece of paper, pencil, and marker and just follow along and draw. Let's have some fun! So we're going to start here at number 1, and we're going to swoop up all the way to number 5. Just like that, and then we're going to stop. So up we go, and around, and then we stop here. Next I'm going to go around and swoop to number 8, and I'm going to go a little bit past 8. And I'm going to come back and make a swerve, just like that. That's going to be the ghost's hair. Then from number 8, curving to 9 and around, I'm doing the cheek of the ghost. Just like this, and now we're going to come and do his neck. Next is going to be the tummy of the ghost, all the way down here. So looping around to 18 and then curving back inward to 19 and stopping. Next is going to be the tail of the ghost. So we're coming down to 20 and up around to 21 and down to 22. Now here you're going to do a little curve, like a half moon, to 23. Up and down. Now, so I can see the numbers, I'm going to actually work backwards from 27 and connect back to 25. This is just so I can see the numbers. There we go. And now we're going to keep on going all the way from 27. And we're going to go and stop at 31. So curve out and in and stop at 31. Now here we're going to skip and go straight to 32. And now we're working on the other cheek of the ghost, outwards, inwards. Now we're going to do a bump, like that. And swooping again, connecting back to number 1. Now if you'll notice, I've got 2 sections of letters here from A all the way to J on both sides. These are going to be the ghost's hands. So what we're going to do is start at A and go straight across and do the knuckles. So straight from A to B, and now we're going to loop around like this to create the ghost's knuckles. So B, C, inwards and outwards, all the way down to F. And then from F to G, we're going straight across, like that. Now what I'm going to do is, because we're making the ghost's fingers, I'm going to go a little bit past each letter and curving upwards. So I'm going to start back here, curving and going up to the next letter, curving and going up to the next letter, and then completing it like that. Perfect! Now we're going to do the same idea on this side. So from A, B, C, we're doing the knuckles, curving in and out, in and out. And from E, straight across to F. And around to G. Now we're going back here again. Curving up to the next letter because we're doing fingers. And finally we connect back to A. And there you go, we've got 2 fists. Now we can start working on some details. Now let's give our ghost some thumbs, finish off his hands, and give him some arms. There we go. Now I'm going to work on his eyes, a triangle for the eyebrows, and a smile. Now I'm adding a few bags because, well, our candy ghost needs to have something to hold his candy, right? And let's draw a few lollipops. Now that we're done the lollipops, it's time for coloring. Get out your markers. I'm going to leave my ghost white, so I'm going to go straight into doing shadows. So I'm using grays for shadows, so I pick a dark gray and a light gray. First I start working on my light gray. I work mostly on the left side of his body. When I'm finished with my light gray and I'm happy how it looks, I go and I add darker shadows using my dark gray marker. If you're liking this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that like button. In case you missed the last couple of weeks, I've got a few other Halloween themed videos for you to check out. I'll put a link in the description below. Now I'm coloring the candy bags, and I'm smoothing it out so they're not streaky. Like I've said in some of my other videos, you don't have to use the same colors I do for your picture. You can pick whatever colors that you want. And you can pick your own art supplies. You don't have to use markers. Once I've done the candy bags, I pick colors for the lollipops. Candy is usually fun and colorful, so go ahead and pick some nice bright colors. Well guys, this was fun. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure that you hit that like button and check out my other Halloween videos. Thanks again. See you next time. Bye bye.